Now we will making an electronic game. For that we have this buzzer, battery connector and wire. First of all, I'll be joining this battery connector with buzzer. So for that I'll be joining the negative wire of battery connector with negative terminal of buzzer. So in the buzzer we have minus and plus symbols to show the negative and positive terminal, and battery connector have red and black wire. The black wire is the negative one and the red wire is the positive one. So I am joining this black wire of battery connector to the negative terminal of buzzer. So what I have to do is wrap the wire around the terminal a couple of times and then fold the terminal in U shape so that wire should be firmly joined to the terminal. After that, join the next small wire piece. Take a small wire piece, peel it off from both sides and then join to the positive terminal of buzzer. Again fold the terminal in U shape. Okay, so we have joined the buzzer with wire and battery connector. Next we have this foam piece in the handle, and we will be taking a long wire. Again you need to peel off the wire from both sides. And we have a hook. So first of all we will be joining the wire with the hook by wrapping the wire around the hook like this, and then insert this hook into the foam piece by twisting it like this. And now pass the wire through this hole like this. Next take the base and join the foam pieces 1, 2 and 3 like this. After that join the buzzer in here like this. Now take the iron wire and insert it into these holes inside the circles as given here. You can make any shape by the wire, whatever you like. Okay, so I am inserting the wire here and here. After inserting the wire, what we will do is join the wire of the buzzer that we have connected with the positive terminal of the buzzer to one side of this iron wire. Next we will be joining the positive wire of the battery connector with the wire connected to hook. So in this way the positive terminal of the battery is now connected with the hook. And the next thing we will be doing is joining the battery, and then you can attach the battery here on the cut, on the rectangular cut like this. Now our electric game is ready to play. Now how to play this? For that you need to pass the hook like this through the complete path made by the wire. If anyhow the hook touches the wire, the buzzer will blow. Okay, so this is how you will play the electric game. So the challenge is that you have to pass the hook through the complete path and it should not touch the iron wire. If it touches the iron wire, the circuit is complete and the buzzer will blow. So enjoy playing this electric game, enjoy the activity, keep experimenting, keep learning. Thank you.